first verse of the poem, Dr. Jose Rizal, he was questioning the Lord Jesus Christ. He asked the Lord Jesus Christ, or the child of God, why does he was born on a manger as his place of birth. He further questioned why does fortune, whether it is faith or wealth, has left him the moment he entered the world of humanity. Ang ibig sabihin, nagtatanong si Dr. Jose Rizal kung bakit pinanganak ang Panginoon na si Jesucristo dito sa earth or sa mundo bilang child, God, or anak ng Panginoon. And bakit dun siya pinanganak sa manger? Ang manger na yon, it is a wooden crib or a stone siya na malaki na nilalagyan ng pagkain ng mga animals just like horses and camel. And for the second verse, expresses concern as the expression, alas, expresses concern, grief, or pity. He expresses his doubt that anyone is willing to be a shepherd rather than a president. It means that wouldn't you rather be the Lord or King above all earth rather than just a mere shepherd, a guide of the sheep? Dr. Jose Rizal was asking the Lord Jesus if he didn't like to be above all and govern all the land than just like an average people. Ang ibig sabihin sa pangalawang verse ng poem, bakit mas pinili ni Jesus na maging pastor kaysa maging leader ng bansa or magtrabaho sa mataas ang posisyon like president, na pwede naman sa kanya dahil siya isang anak ng Diyos. Pero mas pinili ni Jesus na maging utusan dahil nga isa siyang anak ng Diyos. Gusto niya na magsilbi siya sa ibang tao kahit alam niya na siya ay anak ng Diyos. Gusto niya makatulong sa mga taong nahihirapan sa buhay. Kumbaga, si Jesus, isa siyang humble na tao. Wala sa kanya ang taas ng posisyon. Ang mahalaga sa kanya ay makatulong siya sa mga taong nahihirapan. Hindi niya pinili ang power or maging isang makapangyarihan na tao. And the next that I will explain about my visual background. Makikita niyo po sa una kong drawing na mayroong nanay na may hawak na sanggol or baby. Yung baby na yan ay si Jesucristo. Yung drawing na yan is simbolo ng pagsilang ng Jesucristo na nagpapakita ng isang malaking himala sa buong mundo. Dahil isinilang si Jesucristo na mayroong ina, ngunit walang ama. Ang kanyang ina ay si Birheng Maria. And yung nakikita niyong pangalawa kong drawing na may anghel is simbolo ng pagbibigay pugay sa pagdating ng anak ng Diyos na magbibigay liwanag sa buhay ng tao, na siya ang tutulong sa mga taong nahihirapan sa buhay. And itong drawing ko is may makikita kayong color orange. Yung orange na yan is wala itong ibig sabihin. Dinagdagan ko lang po ito or pandagdag palamuti ko lang po ito sa aking drawing. And I want to share my learning about this poem or ano yung natutunan ko sa content ng poem na ginawa ni Dr. Jose Rizal about to the child Jesus. I believe as Dr. Jose Rizal was taught about faithfulness to the church, but at the same time, he taught himself how to love deeply for his country, that his love for his country, that his poem have deeper meaning when studied carefully. He associated religious poem to the situation of the country at the moment. It was easy to connect to his mind the life of suffering they were facing in the situation. I believe that the Masonic life result didn't left him even when he died. His love and care for the country is far greater and deeper than anyone else. His goodwill for the Philippines has not stained 30 anyone, even if there are people wanted to be bloody. He was pinned to his belief and remained faithful to his country. And that's all, and thank you for listening and watching.